Okay, as promised, new video starting lesson 3-4, the last lesson we have. It's over the use of law of sines and law of cosines. Now, I looking at question 9. Yeah, there's a picture here. I actually found that picture of this house. Okay, it's John Lautner's Sheets Goldstein house. So pretty quick Google search, there it is, right? Pretty sure that's actually the exact picture. But as I was reading through the problem, I had to look because the description, it was a little confusing. There's a patio that's 60 feet, and then we're talking roof angles. I don't know. So near as I can tell, the 49-degree angle of elevation, the right side 18-degree angle of elevation. Well, let me just lay it out for you. Here's what the picture looks like. We've got our pen drawing tool, and we're going to say, here's the length of the patio. That's 60 feet. And then to get to the left side and right side, again, picture aside, I'm just going to draw this, in a sense, free body diagram. All right, we're learning about those in engineering class right now. So I'm going to call it kind of the free body diagram of this, but we've got one side of the roof doing this, and that's 49 degrees. And I actually need to draw this way further out because then the other side, the right side, is only 18-degree angle. So with the information given, 49 degrees on one side, 18 on the other, says determine the lengths of the left and right sides of the roof. So we're trying to find this guy and this guy. So law of sines and cosines says that if I can find an angle and its opposing side, I can write the ratio of side to the sine of the angle and set that equal to another ratio, a second side to the sine of its angle. So real quick, I'm going to draw this out. I'm going to say this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is C. So in that respect, this little a, side A, is the side created by angle A. And B goes out in this direction like this. That causes side little b to be created. And C comes across and little c is created. And with that said, the law of sines, we need A and angle A, or we need side B and angle B. And if you look at this picture, all we have is 60 feet here, but we don't have the angle to go with it. And without that, we can't use law of sines because we'll end up with too many variables in our equation. However, with that said, I'm going to note one thing, and that is that we can still, just because Pythagorean's theorem and, side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared, like all that stuff is out the window, but there is still one property left that says the interior angles of any triangle will sum to 180 degrees. So I have two angles, I can find the third. If I take 180 minus 49 minus 18, what I get is an angle of 113 degrees. What that allows me to do is set up that ratio that I was talking about, side 60 over sine of 113. Now, that can be set equal to either side B or C, and whatever, we don't really have these labeled, I guess. So let's do that. We'll call these magenta, so we'll call those A, B, C. Why not, right? So going back to blue, actually I guess it was orange. We have, in this case, 60 and sine of that. That would be like little b equals, and sine b is that. So we can set this up to either ratio with A or C. So let's do A. And what I'm looking at here, I'm looking for that is equal to side length of A, which we don't know, over sine of angle A, 49. So when we have that, we are just simply, we have two ratios set up. We have one unknown. So if we just simply multiply both sides by, let's see, let's go this color. If we times by sine of 49 here times 49 there, what we're ending up with is the fact that A is 60 sine of 49 all over sine 113. So in your calculator, you just have to do exactly that. 60 sine of, I already forgot. 60 sine of 49. Nope, we don't want to times. We're going to say 60 sine of 49 divided by sine of 113 equals 49.19. So 49.19. So side A is 49.19. What are our units here? Feet. We had 60 feet on the other one. So side A, A is going to be our right side. I guess that would be the right side, because it's saying determine the lengths of left and right. So we should probably label them as such. For our picture, it's angle A goes to side A, but side A happens to be the right side. The other thing we're going to have to do then to find the left side, same idea, 60 over sine of 113 is equal, not times, is equal to that side B, C, there we go, side C over sine of 18. So the same process, we're going to, instead of sine of 49, we're going to take 60 times sine of 18 degrees and then divide by sine of 113. If you get that correctly, we say C is equal to 20.14. And again, I'm going to label that as left side. Okay, so there you go. That's question 9. Gosh, you know what? Let's just make 10 separate. So there you go. 8 minutes. We've got question 9 done. We use law of sines the whole time. And question 10, we'll actually get a chance to use law of cosines.